Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 5 Error Code CE-10005-6 when there's a problem reading your disc. So let's go ahead and jump into the PlayStation 5 video right now. Now the first thing you want to do to completely fix this error code is to turn off your PlayStation 5 console and unplug it from the wall outlet. Now you can do this two different ways. You can go to the power settings and turn off your PlayStation 5. Or what you could do is locate the PlayStation 5 power button and hold that down. And you will hear one beep initially. And then about 2 or 3 seconds later, you will hear another beep. And this will completely turn off the PlayStation 5. Then what you want to go ahead and do is completely turn it around and unplug it from the wall outlet. And leave this unplugged for approximately 1 to 2 minutes so all the power drains from it. Then you can plug it back in and then start up the PlayStation 5 and see if this actually fixes the error code and the problem reading the game disc. Now, if it doesn't fix this problem, locate the game disc and then see if there's any kind of smudges or any kind of debris on it that could be causing it not to be read thoroughly by the PlayStation 5, and take a microfiber cleaning cloth or something like that and clean off the game disc. Or go ahead and locate another game disc and try placing that into the PlayStation 5 and seeing if there's a problem reading that game disc additionally, just to verify if it's the PlayStation that's having a problem or if it's that one individual game disc. So once cleaning, hopefully this will go ahead and work for you. If it did, go and leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.